been my privilege to be here and share my music with you. I appreciate the invite, and I love the festival. We had some amazing weather. Love the kids yesterday. It was all been very good. Appreciate everybody that has volunteered to make this a success. I'll leave you with the message for us, for our children, the message of leave no trace. The message from the Haudenosaunee Indian, who owned a vast territory of land before the first contact. So much land that it ran from Quebec down to Tennessee, and from Vermont out to Ohio. Actually, it was Vermont to Ohio. But, I mean, it's a big place, you know. They had thousands of towns and villages during this period of time before the first contact, and centuries ago, hundreds of years before the first contact with Europeans, they had already recognized, they'd already understood and decided that vertical hierarchy creates conflict. They dedicated their society to function in a way that prevents this kind of hierarchy. You know, we were taught when we were growing up, at least I was, that Indians were savages, that they were primitive people. They're not to be taken seriously. The Haudenosaunee, obviously, were very sophisticated and had been so for a very long time. There was an ordered and complex society capable of protecting its people, dedicated to the containment of a ruling hierarchy. They raised their children from the cradleboard to be participants in the culture. Their government, their economy, everything they did had deep spiritual roots. The Haudenosaunee but had a way of life that believed that all living things have spirit, spiritual beings, and that they were guided to express a great respect, affection, and gratitude towards all the spirits that create and support life. You know, our world is so diverse and abundant that it can literally provide enough so that all our needs are met in a sustainable way. What the earth cannot support is everybody living in an unsustainable way. The indigenous people of North and South America can teach us how to live a more balanced way of life in our ecosystem. It's not that we all have to put on loincloths and get a spear and go into the jungle. No, it's just that we have to live more sustainably, which happens to be a more meaningful, enjoyable, and peaceful existence, rather than mindlessly consuming while oblivious to the harm and violence that we cause by doing so. Thank you very much, everyone, that joined me in the singing of the song, Leave No Trace. Because you know, there's only one Mother, Mother Earth, and she gives herself freely to us. So give thanks to her. Give thanks to her. And when you have completed your visit here with our Mother, leave no trace. Leave no trace. We all drink her water. We all breathe her air. There's only one Mother we all have to share. We need to walk gently, each son and daughter. Earth is our mother, sky is our father. Leave no trace, leave no trace. Think about the future of the human race, of the earth. Leave no trace. All life is sacred. We all have to care. So let's work together. The whole